of the Vice President. United Democratic Party President Metbah Lyngdoh is optimistic about securing a significant number of seats in the upcoming district council elections in Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills. He noted that many supporters who had previously left the party have now returned. Although he has not had time to analyze the reason behind this shift, Lyngdoh acknowledged that leaders and supporters who once backed other political parties have decided to rejoin UDP for the upcoming MDC elections.
Again started the organization of the party, on many constituencies, on many districts, and in the state as a whole, especially Khasi Jaintia Hills, with regards to the Khasi Hills District Councils and the Jaintia Hills District Council. We found that a lot of supporters who belongs to UDP, many who have left, have come back. Well, I have not been able to spend more time with them, but I would like to know the reason why. But I could understand that those leaders, supporters, well-wishers of the party who have been there with the party for long, who have supported other political parties in the last MP election, have already made up their mind on their own, to come back to the party and be with the party for this MDC election.
The talks between the state government and